Hello guys, I've been doing fully autonomous AI research. You can see here, this post on X got me like 40,000 views, 200 likes, but I just want to show you the system that I just created. So I just have a bunch of terminals of OpenAI Codex Cloud Code, and they're all doing AI research on different GPUs 100% autonomously. And then you can just publish your research and findings on X on social media. I'm gonna show you how to set it up all right now. However, if you don't wanna struggle too much, if you don't have much time, you can schedule a call with me for just $99, and in 1 hour I'm gonna set everything up for you. I'm gonna explain everything, I'm gonna teach you, and so it's gonna be a lot faster. Anyways, now I'm gonna explain everything. So you can use ChatGPT to help you understand. So you wanna start with some model repository where you have all of your training data, your model. So for example, this OpenAI competition, parameter golf, where the goal is to train this small LLM as fast as possible. So you will clone this onto your GPU or remote GPU from Vast AI, etc. So I guess number one step is to set up the remote GPU, SSH into it, and then clone the model, and then clone my repository as well. It can be, I guess, next to that repo or inside. If you clone this inside, make sure to add it to Gitignore. You can actually just talk to your Claude or GPT or whatever, and then you can just tell it what you should do, give it, ask it for advice. So it's gonna start reading these files folders. It's gonna read all of the blueprint. Then you should tell it your goal. For example, improve this repo. You have 30 minutes, and do quick elimination rounds, because if you have 30 minutes, usually you want to aim for small, quick experiments to eliminate very bad ones. If you have like 24 hours, then you can tell it you have 24 hours, improve or do experiments that improve the baseline. So it's going to read all of these documents, it's going to read your repository, and you can just chat to it, and you can tell it to ask you more questions if it needs. And it's this simple. So you just need to SSH into GPU. That's maybe a bit more complex part, and just install Codex or Cloud Code, and then just give it URLs to these repositories. It will clone automatically. It will do everything automatically. Now you will learn as you do this. You will improve your skill. So it took me maybe a week to improve my skill. So within a week, you're gonna start becoming better and better, and I'm gonna actually improve this even more. I wanna add some thoughts. I think that open research will actually now surpass closed labs research, and closed labs will just be like product companies, because previously closed labs had expertise and they had compute advantage. Now expertise, they don't have so much of an advantage because AI can do autonomous research, and there is a lot more compute now. We can all just use our compute. So maybe it's possible that open research is going to be a lot better than closed research, like generally. Maybe closed companies will have some niche area better research. As you talk to your agent, and when it makes mistakes, you need to see what mistake it made. You can also ask it to discover its mistake, and then tell it to add new rules to avoid that mistake in the future. And that's how we are improving these rules. So basically any lab or any organization, any company is just a set of markdown files, markdown rules on how it operates. And we can replicate that here. That's gonna be it. You just need to chat with your Codex or Cloud Code. You will understand everything. Just talk to it. It will explain everything to you, all of the files I wrote. So if you want to spare days or weeks trying to understand this, if you are a beginner especially, then just call me, schedule a call, and I'm going to explain everything to you quickly. And this also supports my open research, so everything stays open source forever and free. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.